Okay, Sanvi
Yes, sir.
3x x minus 2 is equal to 6. So, see, one thing that you need to understand is, yeah, uh, as you go in higher classes, you will have a lot of confusion between x and multiply. So, is this x or is this multiply?
X.
This is x. This is 3x
Yes,
into
sir.
x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Have you noted the question correctly?
1 second. I have written.
Madam, this is 3 into x minus 2. Yeah. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yeah. Because see,
I think I did not write the sum and I directly went on to this step.
not an issue. So, for example, if this is 3 into x minus 2 is equal to x, and you want to write it as 3 into x minus 2, you should be very clear about the difference between this multiply and this x. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because in algebra, you will face a lot of confusion about this. And what I do is, if you follow my lectures, I write my multiply as this. Have you understood? Why do I write it like this?
Yeah.
Because I want to differentiate between this and this. Because at times I write my x as like this also. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sameji, have you understood the confusion?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need to be very clear between your x, your multiply, and especially if you are a person like me who writes x as well as x. So that is why when I write multiply like this. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So be very clear about this. So this is basically a multiply. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 6. Okay. Okay. So this is correct. Okay. Now the next question is 4 into 2x plus 6. So 8x plus 24. Okay. See here, once you are comfortable with equations, another way of looking at this is 8x is equal to 24. Have you understood?
Yes.
Or is there a confusion?
So when I get comfortable, you're saying I should skip this step?
Yes, that is what I'm trying to tell you. Once you are comfortable, and the way of looking at this is that if you have an equation like 8x plus 24 is equal to 0, if it is a plus here, it will become a minus here. So it will be 8x is equal to minus 24. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
So if this equation was something like 8x minus 24 is equal to 0, then this minus on this side, left hand side, will become a plus on the right hand side. So any confusion?
No, sir.
Another way of looking at this is that, for example, at this step, 8x is equal to minus 24. 8x is equal to minus 24. Basically, what this means is that 8 is multiplied by x. Another way of looking at this is if there is a multiplication sign here, the multiplication will get converted into division. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
But please start doing this only when you are comfortable. Yeah. So till the time you are not comfortable, you can keep doing like this, that minus 6 plus 6 here and plus 6 here, and this becomes 12. This is absolutely okay. But the only thing that I'm trying to tell you is that once you are comfortable, you can write this as 3x is equal to 6 plus 6. How do I look at this? This minus x, when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes a positive sign. This was already positive. Therefore, 3x is equal to 12. Soumya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Once you are comfortable, see, it is like when you started, if you know how to ride a bicycle. So, for example, when you started your bicycle, you used to have this support. Somaji, do you ride a bicycle?
No, sir.
Sami, you?
Yes, sir.
So, did you use the support when you were learning how to ride a bicycle?
Yes, for 5 or 6 months.
Yeah. So, this step that you are doing right now is like the support. Once you are comfortable, you can skip this. Okay, perfect. 3x, perfect. So minus 2 into x, minus 2 into 3, minus 2x. So, perfect. 15th question. 2x minus x is equal to x. This 46 will go on this side. So that is why it has become minus. Shabash. So x is equal to minus 19. Shabash. Somewhere any doubt?
No, sir.
Shabash. So 4x minus 7x. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 4x minus 7x is minus 3x. 15 is equal to 18. Shabash. So again, if I want to skip like you have done before, I can write this as 18 minus 15 minus 3x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Shabash. Samajh any doubt?
No, sir.
Nice. So, Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satyaji, you need to complete all this.
Yes, sir.
3x minus 3 is equal to Shabash. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Shabash. So 3x minus 2x. Okay. Minus 3 and minus 2. So you have added 3 on both sides. Okay. Okay. And of course, we understand that there is a shortcut. What you can do is this 3x and minus 2x. You can bring this minus 2x on the left hand side. So this will be equal to 3x plus 2x. And you can bring this minus 3 to the right hand side. So this will be equal to 3 minus 2. Sir, any doubt? Somaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Therefore, 5x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 5. Sanviji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Shabash. So, 9x minus 6 is equal to minus 3x plus 30. 9x. Yeah. One thing that you need to take care is in algebra, you need to keep your writing absolutely mess free. So for example, when you are doing exam, you will get confused here. So please do your work very neatly. This is equal to and minus shouldn't crash into each other. Sanviji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 9x minus 6 is equal to minus 3x plus 30. It should be clearly visible. So 9x plus 3x, shabash. And this minus will come on this side. So this is 36. Very nice. Okay. Now, another way to look at this is, of course, you are clear, but Mr. Satya, if there is a minus outside, what you can look at this minus as minus 1. So basically you are multiplying minus 1 with x and minus 1 with 2. And that is why this is equal to minus x minus 2. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Is equal to 2 into 3x is equal to 6x and 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. Shabash. Nice. So minus x. This is minus x. This is x. Easy way to look at this is I'll bring my minus 6 on this side and I will take this minus 12 to this side. So this will become 12 minus 2 is equal to 6x plus x. Samaj, any doubt?
No, sir.
कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है क्या? हाँ, यहाँ गड़बड़ हुई है. Therefore, x is equal to 10 upon 7. Sanuji, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Only when you are comfortable. As long as you want to do this, you can do this. You have added plus 2 on both sides. Perfect. Not an issue. Therefore, this has become minus x and this has become minus 10. Shabash. Then you brought. Okay. See, another thing that you can do is to avoid confusion. Of course, this is your decision whether to follow my suggestion or not. This is absolutely as per your comfort. So usually I don't want my x to get negative, and that is why I would like this minus x to come this side. So I will try to write this as 6x plus x is equal to 10. Sanvi, have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So usually I don't like my x to get negative because I get confused. So what I want is my x should remain positive, and that is why I'll bring my minus x to this side. It will become 6x plus x. And of course, I'll send this minus 10 on the left hand side. I will write this as 7x is equal to 10, and I'll write this as x is equal to 10 by 7. So, Maggie, have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Shabash. Two x plus x is equal to 3x plus 2x. Okay, you have subtracted minus 6 on both sides, and that is why this has vanished, and this minus 6 is on this side. Again, this also cancels, and 2x is equal to 3x. And then you subtracted minus 3x, and then you said x is equal to 0. Okay, shabash. Or what you could have done is, of course, this is optional. You could have brought this x this side. 6 minus 6 is equal to, you would have brought this 2x on this side. 3x minus 2x. This is optional. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Sanviji, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Right.
Samaji, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Samaji, this is as per your comfort. As long as you are not making any
So I already do this. So
Yeah, not an issue. I'm just telling you, I'm just sharing with you some alternate ways in which you can do this. So whatever you like, you can follow, as long as the basic rules of algebra are being followed. So this is absolutely fine. And whenever you get comfortable, you can start skipping steps. यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ है. This minus 5x is equal to 2x plus 7. Then you subtracted minus 2x from both sides. So I can see a minus 2x here, but I don't see a minus 2x here. Sanvi, have you understood?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, देखिए, the point that I'm trying to make is, yeah.
And
The,
I think
yeah.
I directly brought the 2x on the other side.
Madam, that is absolutely okay. That is absolutely okay. See, you can write this as minus 5x minus 2x is equal to 7. This is absolutely fine. Or you can write this as minus 5x minus 2x is equal to 2x plus 7 minus 2x. So what you are doing here is you are subtracting minus 2x on both sides. But this thing that you have done, no problem. Sani, have you understood?
Yes, I forgot to add the minus
Yes. So this is absolutely fine. You can bring minus 2x, you can bring 2x here, it becomes minus 2x, absolutely fine. Or you can subtract minus 2x on both sides from this equation, then it becomes minus 5x minus 2x plus 7. So either you do this or you do this, but ये मत कीजिए, ये गड़बड़ है.
Yes, sir.
तो minus 7x is equal to 7. देखिए, at this step also, minus 7x is equal to 7. Again, whenever I get confused, for example, इसमें if you see the x has become negative, and I personally get confused when x becomes negative. So what I can choose to do is I can bring my 7x here and I can bring my 7 here. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 upon 7. X is equal to minus 1. So, Mary, have you understood?
yes, sir.
Because I get confused when my x becomes negative. To avoid that, I can change the direction of x. I can bring my minus x on the right hand side. X remains positive. Again, I can choose to write this as x is equal to minus 7 upon 7. X is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Sanvi, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So these are alternate ways and they are perfectly okay. Because there would be some equations where you will get confused. Okay. Now 3x minus 12x is equal to 24 minus 9x. So minus 9x is equal to 24 minus 9x. कुछ गड़बड़ है यार, I think. Check on it. Question number 23.
So should I say it out?
No, it's okay. I think there might be some problem with the question. Okay, not an issue. So next question, 2x plus 4 is equal to minus 3x. Okay. So 2x minus 3x. 2x plus 3x is equal to minus 8 minus 15. 5x is equal to minus 23. Therefore, x is equal to minus 23 upon 5. Perfect. Nice. So 8x minus 12 plus 4, 8x minus 8, 8x minus 8 is equal to 8x minus 8, 8x is equal to 8x minus 8 plus 8. Question 25. Very easy. Okay, let me check the questions once again. Okay, we are looking at question number 25. Question number 25. So 8x minus 12 plus 4 is equal to 8x minus 8. अच्छा ठीक है. So 8x minus 8 is equal to 8x minus 8. Okay. Now what answer has he given? Question 25. See, let us try to understand what does he mean by all real numbers and what does he mean by no solution. Yeah. Question 23. Question 23. 3x minus 12x plus 9x is equal to 24. So minus 9x plus 9x is equal to 24. 0 is equal to 24, which is not okay. Therefore, this equation has no solutions. Have you understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
But in this equation, if you look closely, 8x minus 12 plus 4 is equal to 8x minus 8. And of course, 8x minus 8 is equal to 8x minus 8. Now, this particular equation, I can write this as, okay. If you look at this equation, or let me simplify, 8 into x minus 1 is equal to 8 into x minus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. So, if you look closely at this equation is okay for each and every x. So you can put x is equal to 7, or you can put x is equal to 70, or you can put x is equal to 100, or you can put x is equal to 10,000. This would always be true. Sanvi, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the point that I'm trying to make is that for this equation, there are no solutions. But for this equation, all x are solutions. Soumya, have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So there is a difference between these two equations and the meanings are different. Sanvi, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Soumya, did you face any difficulty while solving any of the equations?
No, sir.
Okay, not an issue.